Gah, how gnarly is this little guy? High five! Must not have seen me there.
Oh my! It's a sea turtle! Hello, friend. He's beautiful, isn't he?
Sure is, Dr. Chaos. You know, there are actually 7 species of sea turtles. Most are carnivores, or meat eaters, who snack on things like jellyfish. Yum! But others, like green sea turtles, eat plants.
I wonder if they like peanut butter with the jellyfish.
You know, sea turtles actually ingest quite a bit of plastic in the ocean because they mistake it for jellyfish.
That's why it's so important to recycle, so our plastic doesn't end up in the sea.
Totally! We must protect our sea turtle friends, especially the babies, because they're so cute!
I do love baby sea turtles.
Hey, Dr. Chaos, did you know that sea turtles lay as many as 125 eggs per nest? And they nest every 2 weeks for several months!
Wow! That means there must be hundreds of babies. How exhausting!
Well, unlike human babies, they're pretty self-sufficient right away. After their eggs hatch, the baby turtles make their trek from their nest on the beach to the sea. And they face the threat of hungry predators on their way.
But those that survive can live to be 100 years old.
That's like half your age, Dr. Chaos.
Must you make that joke every time?